Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you if your car does not crank, does not start, what could be the reason and how to test your starter motor and to know if it's good or bad. Now, that's what we'll be doing today guys. Quick introduction. We have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. This car guys here does not crank, does not start, and we remove the starter out of it. Okay, this is the starter and we're going to see if the problem is in the starter, if it's somewhere else, because okay, it could be a relay, it could be a fuse, it could be ignition switch, it could be so many things on a modern vehicle, and we'll have a video guys how to diagnose all that. But we're going to start today with the starter. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. So, what we're going to need to test the starter guys? You need a 12 volt battery. Now, let me start by telling you that this is a very dangerous job and this is an entertaining, not a how-to video guys. Why? Because that starter is a super powerful machine guys. That starter, when you activate it, it's going to turn. If you have your fingers close to it, it will cut your fingers off guys, okay, no joke. So that's super powerful thing. So we need jumper cables, 12 volt battery, we're going to connect it, and now, what I would recommend, okay, always kind of like step on it, keep your feet, fingers, toes, everything out of it. Grab the negative wire from the battery on the starter body. Now, let me explain quick. This is your starter solenoid. This is your starter motor right here. Two different components. Okay, what the solenoid does? Solenoid guys, okay, it's going to kick that little bitty wheel out and it's going to engage in the flywheel, okay, which is right here. Okay, so we can go all the way in, engage in the flywheel, and after that the starter will immediately start turning, and that way it will turn the flywheel. Now, if your car just clicks guys but doesn't crank, okay, you may hear the solenoid working, but if the starter motor doesn't work, your starter will not start. So today we'll explain how to test guys the motor and the solenoid. So the motor guys, okay, usually you have two positive wires on the back, okay. That's the wire that comes from the battery, okay, and the one underneath it usually guys is the one for the motor. So if you touch this, okay, this right here guys, you can test your starter motor. Check it out now. Okay, it's spinning guys, it's working. But how you test the solenoid now? Okay, this is guys, okay, this is what we need to check to make sure that the solenoid is working as well. And you have a small wire guys, this is the ignition wire, 12 volt wire. If you touch this one with a 12 volt, you will see the solenoid working. Check it out now. If you hold it, okay, let's hold it there. It will just stay like that. Okay, that's your solenoid working guys. Now how you test both of them? Okay, both of them, you're going to touch, okay, that 12 volt wire, okay, right here guys. This is your 12 volt supply wire that we have. Okay, and we're going to touch the solenoid wire, okay, with it as well. It's going to kick guys, that thing is super powerful, remember. So, check it out now. Okay, you can see how it kicks out and it turns. So that's a good working starter guys. Okay, definitely a good working starter. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful in diagnosing if you have a bad starter or anything else. Please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.